All right, YouTube. Hey, welcome back to another video. Appreciate you coming back for another one. So let's talk about where we're at now. It is the end of November and it's winter here in Montana. And as you can see, the Civic is back on jack stands. And for good reason. While we were at World Cup finals a few weeks ago out in Maryland, I stopped by the Ramey Racing booth and picked up their 1100 horsepower short block. So this is fully built, sleeves, pistons, rods, all the good stuff here, ready to rock and roll, ready to support 1100. That being said, I don't know if we're going to make that. Our goal is to boost this thing. So parts are on the way. And let's kind of just go over the game plan here. So Ramey Racing 2.4, fully built, capable of holding 1100 plus. We have the H11 head studs. There's the build sheet that came with it. We have SuperTech valve train components coming. So this head's going to get taken off, send it to the machine shop, install valves, springs, retainers, fresh resurface, and then we'll build this back up. We'll be able to use a lot of the parts that are on the stock bottom end, like the 4-piston oil pump, the drag cartel components that we have in there as well. So whatever we can reuse, we will, so we can get a fully built motor. As far as the turbo, I'm going to be using a Just TIG tubular manifold, and that's getting fabbed up currently. It should be here in a few weeks, and we will be using an Apex 6072 turbo. We already have the Speed Factory Racing 4.5-inch vertical flow intercooler. I do have a local guy here that's going to fab up a downpipe for me, as well as all of my intercooler piping. For the fuel, we're going to get rid of these 1050s and put in ID 2600s and probably the Walbro 525 Hellcat pump, just a single pump. That right there will probably get us to close to 700, which is plenty. I don't want to string this thing out to 1100 and max it out. I want it to survive. So we'll see what we get with the single pump and the 2600s. As far as the transmission, I have a Clutch Masters twin disc coming. Got that at a good price for Black Friday, and some tile components for the 60 mil wastegate, as well as the blow-off valve. So a lot needs to happen, but it's all doable. So the goal is to have this thing up and running again come summer, so we can get out and dyno it and make some numbers. So I just wanted to give you guys an update on where we're at with the car. The 2.4 all motor here in Montana, we see DAs of 8,000, 9,000 feet in the summer. We're 4,400 feet of elevation, and on these hot summer days when we're driving, we're seeing 8,000 to 9,000 DA. And this thing is fun in first and second, but underwhelming in third and fourth. So the only way to get over that hump is to push some air through it. So that's what we're going to do. I'm super excited. I'm going to try to do this right the first time. Shoot for 600 or 700 horsepower and be done with it. So anyways, I'm going to spend the winter getting this out and working on it, and hopefully I can keep videos coming, but I just thought this would be a good way to update you subscribers, or you guys checking this channel out for the first time. The silly thing is I think I only drove it like 250 miles this summer. So maybe call me crazy, something's wrong with me, I don't know. But I'm super excited. This is what I've wanted for this car from the very beginning, and now we're gonna make it happen. So stick with me, follow along, subscribe, get the notification bell going so you can follow me as I build this 700 horsepower monster.